to, just call us via the number on your screen, you know. A lot of people, they be thinking, oh, how can I get this kind of crude kenecol original that it will work for everything? A crude kenecol that is going to work for white patches. Have you seen it? You haven't seen it. Yes, when you see it, it's still like the crude kenecol, you know. But this one is quite different. I mean, why not place your order and you give a try to it? Let me show you. Bingo. You see, this crude kenecol controls stretch mark, controls green vein, varicose vein, spider vein, any you want to call it, spider web or spider-man vein, or anyhow you feel like calling it, so long is a vein, green vein, or blah blah blah. Right? Then again, how about white patches? Yeah. Have you thought of it? Instead of you go get this, get that, get all this plenty serum, and you don't know what they be made of, right? And they give you white patches. I advise you to get this one along. Wherever you are also. Get this crude kenecol for stretch mark and white patches. Do you even know what crude kenecol is? It's not just crude kenecol for stretch mark only, but for white patches. That's what we're talking about, baby. So wherever you are, don't feel too big, don't feel too small. Alright? Yes, this is the right crude kenecol you need. It controls white patches. And it does it that, and it's also a whitening crude kenecol. So like, it's not because if I put this crude kenecol, it's gonna make my cream get dark. No, it's also whitening crude kenecol. So if you're looking for a whitening crude kenecol, a stretch mark crude kenecol, or you're looking for white patches crude kenecol, here you come, baby. This is it. I tell you, don't forget, Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. You know, yes, we are limited, right? So don't forget that all of it I tell you is real talk. We limited, we global, all right? So sometimes if you feel that you need it and you can't get it elsewhere, because I know it's just new. It's just new, ain't coming new. So people think they can just get anywhere. No, you can pull a call through. We'll always get it to you. Wherever you are, be in the USA, be in Canada, be in the UK, be in Europe, Asia country, all the neighbor Africa country, Iran, us, Nigeria in here. We deliver everywhere. All you just need to just place a call. Grr, grr, grr. Hello, Mr. Austin Global. I need your crude kenecol, baby. So go for it. Give me a call. I'm expecting you all. Give me a call on this crude kenecol, baby. Alright? So get your crude kenecol for varicose vein, white patches, and stretch mark and green vein. So, and also whitening. You see? That is what this crude kenecol work for. All right, baby, we've come to the end of this review.